everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've recently received this parcel from a French brand, Typology, and I've decided that I need to share with you this video of unboxing as this brand is very interesting. It is luxury, very luxury, but still affordable. And I'm really excited even more because before making an order from this brand, I've passed the questionnaire on their site, and this skincare routine was based on my main skincare issues, skincare problems. So let's have a look. Oh, I can see these are the products, the description of main products that I suppose I've received. This is in French and this is in English, the steps of skincare routine. So here are the list of all products I've received, and this one as well. This is for tinted serum, and I can see that it is packed just gorgeously, really beautiful. Love such details. And now let's see the products. I don't know where to start. Let's start from here. I will leave it like this. They are packed very beautifully. Oh, look how cute this packaging is. It is made of glass, dark glass. This is niacinamide, 12%, and the brief description, this is redness and blemishes face serum. That is absolutely wonderful. Here is one more product. Oh, yes, this is the tinted serum that I was really excited to try out. It is actually the skincare serum, but tinted, enriched with vitamin C, olive squalane, and aloe vera. 99% of natural origin, light coverage, natural finish. Sounds really wonderful. The next products, I think I have them a lot here. The next cute bottle. Oh, caffeine 5% and niacinamide 5%. This is this is under eye serum, dark circles and puffy eyes. That is exactly what I need. One more serum, I suppose. Yes. This is vitamin C, 11%. And this is RADIANCE face serum. Look how beautiful they are. And next. Oh, I'm really excited. So here we are. Oh, how beautiful it is. Love this packaging so much. Really beautiful. And this is what we have. This is face moisturizer, zinc PCA 4% plus bamboo extract. This is Shine Control Actives. Zinc PCA derived from beetroot helps reduce blemishes caused by sebum overproduction, and bamboo extract mattifying helps reduce skin shine. That is terrific. Absolutely wonderful. And the packaging is just gorgeous. Yes, this is just the same description, and yes, It is perfectly sealed. Let's move to the next product. Oh, how beautiful. Look at this. It is absolutely fantastic. Love this fabric. It's quite natural, very natural. And I will use this bag for traveling. It's just like a weekend travel. Very inspiring. Thank you so much for this bag as well. Let's move further. And here we are. This is, I need to unpack it. And look at this beauty. It is absolutely gorgeous, luxurious and gorgeous. This is 7 ingredients, micellar water, and I never met such beautiful packaging for micellar water. The packaging is very handy and easy to use, just magnificent. Thank you so much. Here we also have one more gorgeous product. This is Soothing Toner, Niacinamide, 7% and Centifolia Rose Extract. Oh, I found the product that gives this beautiful scent to all parcel, the scent of roses. This is this toner. Thank you so much. There are left 2 more products. This is Purifying Cleanser Bar with nettle, and how gorgeous it is packed. This is, let's check it out, cold processed soap for the face and body with 8% super fats. Handmade in France from botanical oils, free of chemicals, 100% naturally derived ingredients. This is the list of ingredients, and the packaging is just fantastic. Here is the soap, and it's just gorgeous scent. Very beautiful. And the last product is, let's move it here. This is Purifying Botanical Blend with Peony. Oh, peonies are my favorite flowers. And of course, the packaging is just adorable. Look how beautiful it is. Skin regenerating peaks at night. It's absolutely fantastic. Look. This is Purifying, night oil for the face and with Peony cellular extract, naturally derived ingredients 100%. It's just amazing. Very beautiful. This collection is really gorgeous. Thank you so much once again, Typology. I will start using some of these products immediately, and will definitely share my reviews here on my YouTube channel, and of course first impressions will be soon on my IG, so stay tuned.